another K-Core Fort Myers online tour. Today we are in Eagle Reserve in Fort Myers, Florida, and I want to show you this beautiful Fulton Driftwood model home. Okay, see it's a double car garage, and it has 2 stories. This home is 2,470 square feet on the air. Okay, let's take a look at it. It's a very nice home. You have tile roof. Check out the entrance here a little. You have your 8-foot door when you come in. Let's see it. Okay, so you come in, you're welcome with this beautiful decoration. I mean, they really go all the way out when they do a model home here. Check it out. Come in here, you have a hallway that goes towards the garage entrance door. Here's the garage. Turn the light here. Sorry, you don't have the light on. Here's the garage. Check it out. And your water heater over there. Got the painted floor. Very nice. Okay. Let's go back where we started. And come back here. So you have this little hallway here. Okay. Now you can see the living room. And on this side over here, you have some kind of like a flex room or kind of side room. Let me show you. You have a little area here coming out of the garage so you can put your stuff. And then over here, you got this little flex room, den, whatever you want to make it. It's really nice. It's right next to the kitchen. Okay. So now, instead of going there, let's go through the entrance so you get to see the whole entrance of the house. Okay. We're right here, and let's go. Very bright. If you see, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You got like 12 candle lights lighting this house up. And remember, most likely they're all LED, so they're energy efficient. Okay, here you got your living room. Outside you have your lanai. And what do you guys want to do first? Let me see. Should I go up or should I show you first here and then go up? Let's go up first and then I'll come down and be more detailed on the first floor. Okay, let's go up the stairs now. You got 1, 2, 3, 4 steps, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 steps. That was quick. When you come up here, you're welcome with this beautiful area here. It's loft. Check out the size. It's very nice. Very nice, big. So it's kind of like a second living room. Or you can make it into like a family room. And stand over here to see the size of this area. Very nice. You also have 4 cam lights and your hookup for the fan. And then let's move over here. This long hallway that takes you to the bathroom. Okay, and you have a shower and a tub here. All tile. Okay, now we move on this room here, and you have your bedroom here with a closet. Here's the closet. Very nice. Let me stand over here in the corner so you can see. Check it out. Nice. Let's check out the chandelier here. Look at this. Look at this lamp here. Cool. I love the decorations. Okay, we keep going here. And over here you go into your second bedroom. Okay. Stand over here in the corner so you can see it. Here it's a little different. You have the closet has 2 doors. It's a little bigger, the room. Very nice. And we keep going here and you have the laundry right here. So that's good. You got all the bedrooms up here, you got the laundry up here. So that you have to be going up or down the stairs for your laundry. And right here you should have your AC unit. Okay, it's another 4-ton unit. Yep. Last house we did had a 4-ton unit too. Okay, like I said, this house is 2,470 square feet of living space. Check how beautiful this is. Let me show you from up here, the entrance door. Check it out. Very nice. And that's what the stairs looks like. When you're coming up, you have one turn, and you come right up. Okay, now let's go over this way to the master. Okay. Oops. Okay, I have some issue with my camera here. Okay, let me fix this up a little. I just got this new system now that I'm getting familiar with. It's the second house that I do with this. And I'll get better. I'm just trying to provide you with the best quality video, and I just messed it up there. Okay, let me show you this bedroom over here. It's very nice. Check it out. Very big size. Check out that chandelier. I'm wondering. Okay. Have a window to the outside, so it's very bright. Let's stand over here. Check it out. Okay. Over here you also have 4 can lights, so it's nice. It's nice and bright. I love this new can lights in the new construction that's going now. Okay. Over here, this is the master bathroom. You got your double sink with granite. Over here, you got a towel closet. Here's your shower. Okay, all tile on the back. Very nice. Here's your closet, toilet, whatever you want to call it. And this is the master bedroom closet. Pretty big size. Check it out. Nice. Okay. And you also have, let me see. Okay, this is not as luxurious as the executive model, the other model, but it's the other model called the first model was dockside model that I showed you in another video. It's the estate series. So this does not bring the self-stop doors. Okay, here we go. Let's keep going. Okay, so basically that's the whole tour of the second floor. Comment below to tell me what you think, what you like. Check out over here, it's nice also that you have the view with those nice big windows. Okay, comment below what you think about this model. Okay. Remember, if you want more information about this model or any of the big model videos that I show you, please contact us. You can call us at 239-410-7372 and we'll be glad to help. Okay? Sorry, having a lot of little issue with the camera again. Sorry. Okay, so here we're in the first floor. Let's do a walk around. Okay, so we have this beautiful living room. Okay, and we're heading over to the kitchen. Check out this kitchen. It's nice. Very nice. Granite countertop. Let me see if the cabinets are still. Yes, the cabinets are still like the bathroom. It's just standard. They don't have a soft top like the luxurious home which you saw in another video. Okay, here we go. This is the pantry. Here's your sink. Check out how nice, huh? And over here, I forgot to show you the dining room. Look at this. Nice big size. With a beautiful window that you can look out. Very nice. Okay. Let's stand over here so you get to see the whole room. I like to stand on the corner so you guys can really visualize the size of this room here. It's very big. Okay. And I like it that it's nice and bright. Okay, now let's go back to that room I started with. Here's the van flex room, whatever you want to call it. Really nice, with 4 cam lights. See? And over here you got your half a bath. Okay, that's your toilet there and your sink over here. And this is the half a bath for your guests on the first floor. Okay, so that way you don't have to be going up. I was wondering where it was because I didn't see it when I came in. Okay, now we're gonna go outside and check out the lanai. Oh, it's locked. Okay, here we go. So I hope you enjoy this tour of the Driftwood model built-in homes. Sorry about that. Okay. Hope you enjoy this video. Feel free to comment below whatever you think about the house. If you would like to for me to do a video of a specific area in Southwest Florida, Cape Coral, Fort Myers, that'll help me, guide me for all the videos that I'm be producing. And if you have any questions, like I said before, of Southwest Florida real estate market, please feel free to contact us. You can call us at 239-410-7372. And also, please subscribe to our channel. We're having videos like this on Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays. So those are the days that I post my videos. And if you see something that you like, just call us, okay? I'm not gonna take any more of your time for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and see you on the next one.